Let's see how to center only the title of a Microsoft Word document. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to center your title, it is the same process as simply centering your text. So as you can see in our document right here, we have our title aligned to the left side as such, which is the same with the other parts of our text. Now to center this title, go ahead and highlight your title. Now click on the center, the align center right here in the paragraph section of the Home tab, or click Ctrl+E on your keyboard. And as you can see, our selected text, which is our title, is now positioned at the center of our Word document. And that's how you can align only the title at the center of your Microsoft Word document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.